Hello, we are a couple days into the course and it is time for a little bit of feedback. First of all, I would like to teach you how to find feedback that I'm leaving for you. Okay, so if you navigate over here and you're in your course, you can, here's what your page looks like, right? You can come over here to grades and you can see if things have been graded, and then you can see your percentage or your feedback. This is my big concern, is that you're seeing the feedback. So if I go over here and I click on an assignment here, if you look down here, submission status, it tells you whether or not you've turned it in to me, your grading status, when it was last modified, and the comments. So I have left plenty of comments this week asking students to go back and look at the directions, or to remind them that they're missing a piece, or maybe they haven't thought about the assignment enough. You'll find those comments here. Please check those daily. I put deadlines on when you can resubmit by. Okay, typically it's about a week. All through Module 1, I will provide feedback through comments without grading and encourage you to do a resubmission. You will be able to get full possible credit through Module 1. Modules 2, 3, and 4, if I have to ask for a resubmission, there's a very good chance you will be losing a point or two from depending on why you need the resubmission, if that makes sense. If you have any questions, I encourage you to reach out to me, please. I have seen a lot of great work so far. Once again, I'm encouraging you to look at comments. You can click on an assignment, and you can see whether it's been graded or not, and what my comments are if you need to give a resubmission. It is not a bad idea to send me an email to let me know that you've resubmitted as well. Thank you.